Good morning. Today we can start new chapter non-linear wave shaping circuits. Today we can start the new chapter non-linear wave shaping circuits. Okay. So in this chapter, first of all, we discussed about the new topics of diode as a switch, diode as a clipper, and different types of clippers. Diode as a switch, diode as a clipper, and different types of clippers. Okay, so these topics discussing now today class. Okay, next, objectives of this presentation. Objectives of this presentation: on completion of this period, you would be able to understand. So diode as a switch, diode act as a switch, and diode as a clipper, and different types of clippers, and summary. So these topics one by one discussing now. Okay, first of all, the first topic is diode as a switch. Diode as a switch. See this figure A and figure B. This is the figure of a PN junction diode. PN junction diode can be used as a switch by considering this below figure. A PN junction diode can be used as a switch by considering the below figure. See this figure A and figure B. So in case of figure A, diode as a closed switch. In case of figure B, diode as a open switch. Diode as a open switch. Okay, first of all, PN junction diode. So what is a PN junction diode? What is the purpose of PN junction diode? A PN junction diode can be used in various applications. One of such applications is an electrical switch. Okay, a PN junction diode can be used as in various applications. One of such applications is an electrical switch. Hence, the change of forward and reverse biased states makes the diode work as a switch. Hence, the change of forward and reverse biased states makes the diode work as a switch. So, the forward bias is on state and reverse bias is off state. The forward bias is on state and reverse bias is off state. Okay. So, this is nothing but PN junction diode. This is nothing but PN junction diode. So, observe this figure from figure A, from the above figure A. So, see this figure, connection of figure A. So, in this figure, this figure consists of one diode, one battery, one lamp. Okay. So, observe these connections. First of all, observe the diode connection. So, the anode of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery of 12 volts. Battery is nothing but 12 volts battery, positive, negative. Observe this connection. The anode, diode, positive is connected to anode, positive is nothing but anode, and negative is nothing but cathode. Okay, see this diode. The anode of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery of 12 volts, and cathode is connected to the negative terminal via a 12 volts lamp. Negative terminal via a 12 volts lamp. Hence, the diode is forward biased. So, when diode is forward biased, it acts as a closed switch. It conducts currents. Okay. I repeat once again this point. The figure A, observe this figure A. The anode of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery of 12 volts, and cathode is connected to the negative terminal via a 12 volts lamp. Hence, diode is forward biased and act as a closed switch. Okay. And next, as the applying DC voltage is much greater than the new voltage. As the applying DC voltage is much greater than the knee voltage. Hence, lamp glows, which indicates the diode acting as a closed switch. Hence, the lamp glows, which indicates that the diode acting as a closed switch. Okay, I repeat this point again. As the applying DC voltage is much greater than the knee voltage, hence lamp glows, which indicates that the diode acting as a closed switch. This is nothing but, so diode is connected in forward bias, diode as a closed switch. Okay, observe this figure B. So this figure B is nothing but diode as a open switch. See this figure. So observe this figure. So in this figure diode as a open switch. Okay, observe the connections of this figure B. The cathode of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery of 12 volts and anode is connected to the negative terminal of via 12 volts lamp. Okay, so here diode anode is positive terminal, cathode is negative terminal. So I repeat this connection once again. So from this figure B, observe this figure B. Here the cathode of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery of 12 volts and anode is connected to the negative terminal via a 12 volts lamp. Hence the diode is reverse biased and it acts as a open switch. There is no current flows through this diode. Okay, it acts as a open switch. There is no current flows through this circuit. Okay, hence diode is reverse biased, which does not conduct. The lamp connected does not glow here. So this is reverse bias, then lamp is not glowing. Okay, this is nothing but diode as a open switch. Okay, so diode act as a closed switch and diode act as a open switch. Totally diode is a closed and open switch. It act as a switch. Okay, so this topic is completed. And next in today topics, the second topic is diode as a clipper. Diode as a clipper. Okay, so what is the definition of clipper? What is the functioning of clipper? Clipper is a circuit which removes a certain portion of the input signal voltage above or below a certain level. Above or below a certain level. I repeat this point again. A clipper is a circuit which removes a certain portion of the input signal voltage above or below a certain level. So, okay, so another names of clipping circuits are also called as voltage limiters or current limiters, amplitude selectors or slicers. Clipping circuits may use diode or transistor, resistor and DC battery. Okay, I repeat once again. Clipper is a circuit which removes a certain portion of the input signal voltage above or below a certain level. Clipping circuits are also called voltage limiters or current limiters and amplitude selectors or slicers. Okay, next, clipping circuits may use diode, transistor, resistor and DC battery. So these components are used in clipping circuits. Okay, so this is nothing but diode as a clipper. This is nothing but diode as a clipper. Okay, and next topic is different types of clippers. Different types of clippers. Clippers are mainly three categories. Clippers are mainly or basically three categories: unbiased clippers, biased clippers, combination clipper. Combination clipper is also called as double-ended clipper. Okay, so how many types of clippers? There are three main types, three main categories. So first one is unbiased clipper, second one is biased clipper, third one is combination clipper. So what is the another name of combination clipper? It is nothing but double-ended clipper. Okay, so one by one discussing again different types. Okay, in these clipper types, the first one is unbiased clippers. Okay, unbiased clippers are again divided into two types. Unbiased clippers are again divided into two types. So which one? Unbiased positive clippers, unbiased negative clippers. How many types of unbiased clippers? There are two types. So first one is unbiased positive clippers and second one is unbiased negative clippers. And next, so these two types also again divided in two categories. Okay, unbiased positive clippers are again divided into two types. So two types, which are unbiased series diode positive clippers, unbiased shunt diode positive clippers. Okay, and second one is nothing but unbiased negative clippers are again divided into two types also. So first one is unbiased series diode negative clipper, unbiased shunt diode negative clippers. Okay, so these are different types of unbiased clippers. I repeat once again. So clippers are mainly three types, three categories: unbiased clippers, biased clippers, combination clipper. In these three types, first one is unbiased clippers. Unbiased clippers again divided in two types: unbiased positive clippers, unbiased negative clippers. Okay, and unbiased positive clippers again divided in two types: unbiased series diode positive clippers, unbiased shunt diode positive clippers. And similarly, unbiased negative clippers are again divided in two types. First one is unbiased series diode negative clipper, unbiased shunt diode negative clipper. Okay, so unbiased clippers are over. And next, biased clippers, and second type of clipper is nothing but biased clippers. Okay, so biased clippers are again divided into two types, same as unbiased clippers. Okay, so first one is biased positive clippers, second one is biased negative clippers. Biased positive clippers and second one is biased negative clippers again. So again divided in these two types in different type of clippers. So first one is biased positive clippers are again divided into two types: biased series diode. First one is biased series diode positive clippers, biased shunt diode positive clippers. Okay, and next, biased negative clippers are again divided into two types: biased series diode negative clipper, biased shunt diode negative clippers. Okay, I repeat once again this topic: biased clippers. Biased clippers again divided in two types, two categories. First one is biased positive clippers, second one is biased negative clippers. Okay, next, these two types again divided in different types. First one is biased positive clippers are again divided into two types. So one is biased series diode positive clippers and second one is biased shunt diode positive clippers. And similarly, biased negative clippers are again divided into two types. First one is biased series diode negative clipper, second one biased shunt diode negative clippers. Okay, so these are different types of biased clippers also. And third type of clipper is nothing but combination clippers. And third type of clipper is nothing but combination clipper. So combination clipper is nothing but combination of biased positive clipper and biased negative clippers. Combination of biased positive clipper and biased negative clipper. Simply it can be expressed in mathematically: combination clipper is equal biased positive clipper plus biased negative clipper. Okay, these are different types of clippers. Okay, see this is clipper and different types of clippers. Clipper and different types of clipper. This is nothing but chart of clipper or different types of clipper or topology of clipper. So they call different names. Okay, so if any one name is used in this chart. Okay, see this chart. First of all, clippers. Clippers are mainly three categories: unbiased clipper, biased clipper, combination clipper or double-ended clipper. Okay, see this unbiased clipper again divided into two types: unbiased positive clipper, unbiased negative clipper. Similarly, biased clipper are also again divided in two types: biased positive clipper, biased negative clipper. Observe this chart. So first of all, unbiased positive clipper. See this, unbiased positive clipper again divided in two types: unbiased series diode positive clipper, unbiased shunt diode positive clipper. Okay. Similarly, unbiased negative clippers are also again divided in two types. See this chart, unbiased series shunt diode negative clipper, unbiased series shunt diode negative clipper, and second one is unbiased shunt to shunt diode negative clipper, unbiased shunt to shunt diode negative clippers. Okay. So from these types, so unbiased clippers are over. And next, biased clipper again divided in two types: biased positive clipper, biased negative clipper. So biased positive clipper again divided in two types: biased series diode positive clipper, biased shunt diode positive clipper, biased series diode positive clipper, biased shunt diode positive clipper. Okay. Similarly, biased negative clippers are also divided in two types. So first one is biased series to shunt diode negative clipper, and second one is biased shunt to shunt diode negative clippers. Okay. And so third one is nothing but type of clipper. Third type of clipper is nothing but combination clipper, or also called as double-ended clipper. Combination clipper, double-ended clipper. Okay. So combination clipper is equal biased positive clipper plus biased negative clipper, biased positive clipper plus biased negative clipper. Okay. So these are clipper and different types of clippers. This is nothing but chart or topology of clippers, types of clippers. Okay. Diode as a switch, diode as a clipper, and clipper and different types of clippers also completed. Okay. Next, summary of this presentation. We have seen diode as a switch, diode as a clipper, and different types of clippers. Diode as a switch, diode as a clipper, and different types of clippers. Okay. These topics are completed. From these topics, so frequently asked questions may be asked. The first question is, what is meant by clipper? The first question is, what is meant by clipper? Okay. Another question may also be asked. So in this today topics, explain the use of diode as a switch. Explain the use of diode as a switch. Okay. So another question may also be asked as, explain the use of diode as a clipper. Explain the use of diode as a clipper. And another question may also be asked in today topics is, list various types of clipper circuits. List various types of clipper circuits. This question may also be asked in different ways. So draw the chart of different types of clippers. Draw the chart of different types of clippers, or write down the topology of clippers. Topology of clippers means different types of clippers also. This is a chart also. Okay. So these are different type of questions may be asked in today topics. Okay. So today topics are completed. Today topic is very important topics. Okay. Prepare well. So diode it is connected in forward bias. See this one by one. Diode as a switch, it is forward bias, reverse bias connections of diode. So switch act as open loop and closed loop. And next, clipper. Clipper means, so clipper means it removes a certain portion of the input signal voltage above or below a certain level. Okay. Definitions may also be asked. Okay. So in this today topic, different types of clippers. So separately asked maybe unbiased clippers or types of unbiased clippers, biased clippers, which types of biased clippers. So different way of questions may be asked in today topics. So today topics are very important topics. Prepare well. Okay, any doubts? Okay, thank you.